Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing video for KSCRAFT April release. Thank you KSCRAFT for sending me this design team package. You can find all these die sets at KSCRAFT Amazon or KSCRAFT Aliexpress. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. Here we have a lunch pail and thermos. This has two sizes, one small and one large, and it includes this thermos with the layering piece, which is the lid, and also the handle has a layering piece as well, and it's super duper cute. And next up here is the roller skate shaker tags. There's a really tiny one and then a larger one, and it includes a loop where you can make it into a tag or you can make it into a charm. And it's also shaker, so you can put lots of things inside, and it's really awesome. We have this set here that's called Caboodles, and it's really a 90s retro theme happening here. And I used to have one of these when I was younger, and it'll, like, when you open the lid, there's another level that, you know, comes up. So I just thought this caboodle was like refreshing my memories of back then, where I put all my craft stuff and my jewelry that I make and all the nail polish and everything that I put in a caboodle. And yeah, it's like really fond memories. And so this is the caboodle. I think there's like a small size here, as you can see, and then a larger size. And here we have a vintage TV shaker, and I just love this design. It has an antenna, and it also has these patterns on the side here and the knobs for the TV. And this is also a shaker, so it's really cool. You can make a scenery inside the TV. Here we have cute cats, and there's many different details for the cat. Like, you can put some heart sunglasses on the cat, and there's a bow and some eyelashes, and it's a really cute die set. It's really a cute cat. And now we have this A2 cat tree, so it'll look great on your A2 cards. And I just thought this was like super adorable, how you have all these little cats here. There's some that are like lying down. Some of them are like standing up, and these look like they're sleeping. And the cat tree has many different levels for the cat to play on. And then I think this is a mouse, so it's just really neat. And then we have this new game machine, and this new game machine is totally awesome. There's the word gamer boy or gamer girl, and the word happy birthday included in the set with the shadow word and background. And there's also many buttons that are included with the handheld game console. So yeah, it's pretty neat. Now we have these 90s sentiments, and I use some of the words here maybe, and yeah, I'll show you the words that are included in the set. It's talk to the hand, MTV, sup, as if, fresh, bodacious, that's rad, booyah, like, totally. So I sometimes say sup for sometimes, and then sometimes I say like, but not the totally, but, well, maybe, but like. So yeah, this is funny. 90 sentiments. And then we have some animal shadow words here, and these are really cool. The words are hello, I woof you, your friend, positive, kisses, doggy, sloppy, treat, stay, and possum. Here we have this really neat wavy trifold card, and I think these are like corner sleeves for the card here. And then there's the word smile, and let's see, party and hello included with the set. And this trifold, you can, it looks nice once it's layered because it has this wavy thing, and if you do it crisscross, it looks really amazing, like the pattern. And it also includes this frame in here, which is really cool. Love this set. And then we have this really cool record folding box. I always wanted to make one of these record folding box, and it's really neat. It includes these records that are in now. It's like trendy again, and it comes in a box, so just really awesome. I have a paper collection that has all these retro machines and all that stuff, so I'll probably use that paper collection. Don't remember what it's called, but yeah. And here we have a boombox purse. I think this is like really, really neat. It has the word love and mix and includes the tape. There's yeah, you could put a little tape in there maybe. I'm gonna try that out and see if it works. And there's a heart here. Maybe they're like woofers. I don't know. Or I don't know. And then we have the handle layer with some musical notes that are shaped in heart-shaped. And then the tape is also heart-shaped. So it's like a heart-shaped boombox purse. So you can carry it. It'll look neat. And we have this jukebox box card. This is also a very interesting die set. I really think this is like really neat. And the words included in here are, let's see, happy birthday. And it includes these like records here. And this is such a neat card. Jukebox box card. It has these musical notes in there. And I'm like super excited about this one, large binder keeper. I used to have one. Yeah. And I have this Alice theme happening, so I think I'm gonna use this. But it shows, it has the word keeper here. And then I believe this is a dolphin or something, or a whale. And there's some splash marks. Kind of reminds me of Lisa Frank. I think that's what the name is, Lisa Frank, her name. That style, those binder keepers. Maybe she started it all. And it has this like really neat kind of squiggly line that's like also a retro 90s theme happening. So cool. And then we have a cat tree mini album. If you're like a cat lover, you can put like lots of cat photos in here and lots of different cat notes and all that stuff. And it has this little alcove that the cat can go inside. Really cute. And we have a cat mini album. So it's just those little mini cats that we saw in the beginning, and it's like blown up into like a mini album size. So here it is. And then we have a dog, cute dog mini album, and it has this collar with this heart shaped metal piece here. And then we have this dog paw mini album, and you have these little small dogs with a pillow or a bed. And then finally we have a cat paw mini album. Super cute. So that's the April 2026 KSCRAFT release. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will put all the links to where you can get all these dies in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!